This is front, this is back. This back you set up on your lamp. You use these things and you open this and later put the lamp. And one minus this is don't have more colors. We're using the green. It's easy, like you see the lights change. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Monica. If you are first time here, I teach food and product photography, and today we will be talk about gear. This time I bought something like a barn door with the honeycomb grid and the lighting gel. That is today video about this gear, how to use, how set up with the Godox light, because this is the barn door company Godox, and how to use in your photography to make more interesting photo. That's don't talk too much and let's go. If you like company Godox like me, or you have lights Godox company, this barn door is another amazing modificator lights what you should have if you work with artificial light and you want to make more interesting the photo, attractive photo, like I done this candle photo for my clients. Exactly use the gel, lighting gel, but I didn't have this barn door. That I think I buy this this time and will be check how work with this is good things, something what I recommend or not. That is the video about this today. The Godox company make the artificial light like you see, and this barn door is exactly made for this type of the lamp. That you can easy use this barn door. When I bought this, what is including? This barn door normal when it came, it looks like that. It's close here. This is front, this is back. This back you set up on your lamp. You use these things and you open this and later put the lamp and put this stuff here. I show you step by step how I set up this. When we open the as barn door, we have like here is like front. We have here magnets and here that's things what we put here as gel, and that we set up as gel. But we have 4 different color the lights gel. This is green, red, yellow and blue. Like you see, it's not so big, it's perfect size for the lamp because it's made for this. It's not strong. One minus this is don't have more colors, have only 4 colors. I work on my client's project and there was pink color. That's I buy special different type the gel. I show you one moment, I have somewhere here. I bought something like that gel what is bigger and have a lot of different color like you see, and I can experiment, make different color and work with this. But I set up this on my lamp what was not easy little, and I think maybe this door will be better. Another things we have here honeycomb grid. Honeycomb grid, like you know from my video, or if you don't know, honeycomb grid make like less lights, because if you use honeycomb grid, the lights, strong lights, will be less strong and you have more lights, because this control your how strong is your lights, control the lights, how much lights coming on the product. That's it, the job, the honeycomb grid. How we set up this? We have here the lamp. Here inside we put as honeycomb grid, like probably that. I'm not sure, one moment, I check, because I didn't use this yet. I bought and we probably, one moment. Oh, this side must be, but probably you push, that's it. You push to the inside. That is set up as honeycomb. But how we set up the gel? We remove the honeycomb. We have here the blue gel light, and this is the magnet here what keep the gel, and you put here inside this, and here keep on the magnets, the metal, that the stay your gel It's perfect, nothing happened, you see? It's perfect. But how you use this door, like modifier the lights, we check on this lamp Godox. When you set up this door with the lamp Godox, you need the reflector. You install this on the reflector, and here you have something like metal. When you put, it's too loose, and I use only paper little put here, what will be really keep my things good. I see this in the video, somebody comment that, and now it's perfect, everything perfect. We check now how, when I open the door, how the lights will be on this background when we start. I have only 10%, and I show you how is with the 10%. That looks completely when we have 100% the lights, like you see is ring, and the lights is around only. When we of course change the power as the lamp, like smaller we give, lamp you see will be, the ring will be smaller, like that percent. I put on 100%, one moment now, and we will be close the door. You will see how lights, how you can easily control the light. Here when we close is small, this not block the light, this you control the lights here. Now we use honeycomb grid. I put inside honeycomb grid, and you will see how the light change. Is less lights, that's work always honeycomb grid, and automatic is less light. We can remove as honeycomb grid. Now we set up with the grid, gel grid. We're using the green. It's easy, like you see the lights change. You can experiment, have different lights. The same, if we close the here the door, you can control easy the lights. In my opinion, this is good investigation in your photography. You can use this like another modifier the lights, control the lights, like how much lights coming on your product, but don't block the lights, of course. And other things, you can use the honeycomb here. You don't must to use the lighting gel. You can use honeycomb and make interesting photo with this. And other things, if you want, you can use lighting gel and make interesting photo with different color, like I have blue here, red or yellow, that or green. Is amazing things to make interesting portrait photo, product photo, and don't cost too much because it's 20 something pounds for all this, with the gel, with the honeycomb, that was including everything. Like you see, this is easy setup. Of course, it's not perfect. I must put the paper in the bag little to be sure everything stay on this. One minus is that, like if you have Godox lamp, a different model, and the reflector is bigger than 7" or less than 7", you cannot use this because it's made exactly for 7" reflector for company Godox. And other things, this burn easy. That's when you use this with continuous light, don't keep so long. Switch off the lights when you need, use again, or use with the flashlights. With flashlights work perfect, will be any problem to use this all the time. That is minus from this, but everything work good. If somebody want to know how to make beautiful photo, like I make for my clients the candle photography with the exactly gel light, check this video.